Hello to all my wonderful viewers and to all my wonderful subscribers. This is Lura, the ultimate boss, all the way from the Gambia, West Africa. On this video today, I'm gonna be going straight. The video is gonna be about third effect parties. Normally on video clips, you see this lens flare effects, light leaks effects. You also used to see this glitcher effect that comes on the video. On video clips, just to customize and stylish your video clip. So I'm also gonna show you on the Adobe Premiere today on how to use the glitcher effect or the light leak effect to stylish your video clip or stylish your video. Normally you will use this normally on flashy videos, or normally to make the video look at least a little bit flashy, so that it can at least be a little bit different from the normal video that you've shot from the camera and just present it like that. So these are effects that are very important for you to know and understand how to use them. I'm also gonna show you on how to download them on YouTube free. You have them on YouTube for free. You can download them from YouTube, and there are also editors that used to sell them and put them on their websites. For me, I haven't started producing effects like that that are light leaks and lens flare, but I'm gonna show you on how to download them free from the YouTube platform and use them on your timeline and present to the people on your video effects. If you watch on our latest videos, that is Usain Dara's video, you watch Prince Kamara's video, you watch also the stars on that I'm doing. There are effects that are used that are the third party effects, that are the light leaks, that are the glitcher effects. I normally use them with audio transitions, just to make it look good, for the video to be at least look extra flashy for you guys to watch and enjoy. So I'm gonna go to this to the computer and go straight to YouTube and download an effect that is a glitcher effect, bring it to the timeline and show you how to do these effects on the Adobe Premiere. Till next time I come your way, you got to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this on the Adobe Premiere with me. This is Lura, your ultimate YouTuber, your ultimate editor. So you can subscribe and hit the notification bell and watch out for more videos like this coming every week. Every week I'm going to be dropping an Adobe Premiere video. I'm also going to be doing some videos on review on some latest gadgets that I've bought, and I will also show you on how to use this gadget and the importance of getting these gadgets on your camera bag and on your camera cage. Click, 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 minimize. Yeah, so what I'm gonna be doing right now is that so I'm gonna show you on how to add the third party effects. So I'm gonna use this footage here. I'm gonna check on another footage from the AK's video shooting. I'm gonna check on Vogue. I'm gonna check on Vogue. There are footages we did here. For example, this one here. So I'm gonna use this one here. So we are gonna add a stylish, a glitcher effect on this. Watch out for this. We are gonna add a glitcher lens flare on this, and this one here. So what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna minimize this. Let me play this. Yeah, with that, so when you come online, you come to YouTube, you click on YouTube. I already have some glitcher effects with me, but I'm gonna show you on how to download them here on YouTube. Okay, when you come to YouTube, you just click on any tab, go to YouTube. If you come to YouTube here, search for GLITC glitch effect overlay. If you click on that, it will come. You just search for this, it will come. You see a lot of them. For example, this one here is a nice one. You see, that's the effect. You see the effect? You see the effects? So that's the effect. So I'm just gonna click on that, click the link, come here to Ultimate downloader. You click on that, you paste the link here, you come here, you just close that, you just download here the full 1080. Download 1080. Download 1080. Just download 1080. Close this. Yeah, it's down. See, that's the effect here. That's the effect here. So I'll minimize this. I'll take this effect and put it here inside the Adobe. So let me come. Now when you come to the effect, that's the effect here. You see? You just need the effect itself. You don't need the audio. So you just click on the video here. Now you scale this. When you scale it, it will show this black screen. Then you come here, you screen it. Click on screen here, it's very important. You click on screen, then you see, let me play it back. You see? Let me play it here. You see the effect there? Okay. I'm gonna add another overlay. That is like the normal overlay you see they put on video clips. This is the old film 8mm overlay. That is the old film. That is the effect there. You see this effect? This is the effect I'm talking about. You see the effect? So I'm gonna add this effect too. I'm gonna show you how to add this overlay too. I already downloaded it. It's called the old film 8mm overlay. So now I'm gonna scale this. When I scale it, you see, for this one you are gonna use multiply. Just go to effect control, you click on here, you come to multiply. You see? You see? Here. Now I'm gonna leave that there. Then we are gonna add another one. This one is gonna be called the light leak or lens flare. This one is gonna be called the lens flare. You see this lens flare? I'm gonna come and place it here. When I place it here, it's black. You scale it. The reason why it is not taking this the frame here, because of the footage I shot on the clip is 4K, and this overlays I downloaded the 1080, so you have to scale it to the frame size. You come here, you screen this one. You see, when you screen it, You can scale also this light leak. You can take it down. You can scale it down, or you can scale it up, or you scale it here, or you can bring it down. But that is not normal. You just leave it to the normal scale frame size. So this is the way to click to add the third-party effects. The first one is the glitcher effects. The second one is the 8mm old film overlay. The third one is the light leak. So you normally see this on videos. So this is the way to add these effects on the video. Yeah, thank you so much. This is Lura. You can click on subscribe and watch out for more. Yeah, more videos. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. If you watched that video, that was a video on how to use the light leaks and the glitcher effect on the ADOBE Premiere. I've shown you how to download the effects for free, and on when you bring it on the timeline too, that's the way to scream and just apply the scream on the effect and take out that black scream, and that effect will just apply on your footage, and it will make it extraordinary and look good for your viewers and for your to customize your videos and make it at least look extra good and customize it. So thank you. Till next time I come your way. This is Lura, the ultimate boss. Watch out for more videos like this. This is just a simple tips and tools on how to make your edits look extraordinary with Lura, the ultimate boss. Till next time, hit the notification bell, subscribe, watch out for more videos. We are coming.